Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called MES, Manufacturing Execution System. An MES is a comprehensive dynamic software system that monitors, tracks, documents and controls the process of manufacturing goods from raw material to finished products, providing a functional layer between enterprise resource planning or ERP and process control system. And MES gives decision maker the data they need to make the plant floor more efficient and optimize production. No matter the size of manufacturing operation, an MES can contribute to overall productivity and profitability by making the manufacturing process information driven. Regulated industries such as pharmaceutical, food and beverage, medical device, aeronautics and aerospace, defense and biotechnology particularly benefit because regulated companies must adhere to strict regulation to ensure traceability compliance. They must make sure that appropriate procedures are in place for building compliant products, that these procedures are documented and that the resulting products can be easily recalled if necessary. And MES is essential to drive optimal performance in today's competitive and rapidly changing manufacturing environment. Manufacturing execution system track a huge amount of data, producing real-time insight that can boost production efficiency and save cost. Other benefits of MES could include improved quality control. As quality control information is transmitted in real time, it can immediately halt production as well as soon as the issues are identified. So it reduces the scrap and rework, increased uptime, and MES generates realistic production schedule by balancing personal, material, and equipment resources. It integrates scheduling and maintenance to maximize product flow and asset utilization, increasing uptime and increasing overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. Next benefit, reduced inventory. A manufacturing execution system updates inventory record with new production, scrap and non-conforming materials so that your purchasing, shipping and scheduling department know exactly what material is on hand at all the time. This reduces just-in-case inventory and WAP inventory, saving money on manufacturing, transportation, storage and inventory monitoring. The next benefit could be paperless shop floor. Eliminating paperwork means there is a less chance for human error. Next benefit is improved product tracking and genealogy. Thanks for watching. Bye.